guys, good morning. As in, morning talaga ngayon. Anong oras na day ka ha? Ha? 7:55. Oh, 7:55. Meron tayong breakfast ngayon. Kasama yung mga workmates namin dito. Mga agency lahat because our contracts are almost finished. Ang dami namin talaga na mag-e-end on the same week. Actually, yung iba April pa. Pero yun nga, may batch na March mag-finish and may batch na April mag-finish. So, gusto nila makipag-breakfast ngayon. Day off ko naman. Night shift pa to si Michelle. So, ayan. Very early talaga tayong nagising for the breakfast. We are waiting for Sir Lawrence. Punta tayo sa Black and White restaurant. Never pa ako nakapunta doon, so sana masarap yung food nila. Actually, busog na busog pa ako. Hindi pa tayo masyadong natunawan sa pagkain kahapon, pero hindi naman marami yung kinain natin kahapon actually. Wake up lang while waiting for Zur. Actually, hindi na sana kami sasama ni Inday. Kasi ang early, pero nagising man siya. Ako, hindi talaga ako nagpaalam. Nagising man si Michelle. So, ayun. Let's see. We are on the move. Basto si Alexa, guys. Sabi niya 16 degrees daw. So, ayan, nakalong sleeve tayo. Tapos, ang init! Let's see kung ano talaga yung temperature outside. Nandito na si Zo. Good morning, girl! Mga wala pang energy ba? Very early. Here sa DFO or Outlet Center in Canberra. Very unplanned, but here we are. Nike. Jordan na ba? Uy, this one ba? Kani?
Ay, blue?
Blue, sir. Grabe to, sir. Shopping galore. I know. Gabi tayo. Lagi, sinong kasama namin dito sa Bendon Outlet? Sir. Nag-educate kami kay sir. Ano yung sizing, yung mga full cup.
Full cup is like this, sir.
Yung sizing. Ay, pag-ask niya, Dave, na siya 18. Boodle for
Sir.
Boodle for Sir. Pero katong likod, ang nice. Mas nice for siya.
City of mine. How I love the city of mine.
Asa? Sir, malaki pala head mo, sir. Next stop,
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Very nice.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is city, I met all my best friends and I want it.
Kanina pa tayo dito sa apartment, guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung nabili natin kanina. I'm so sleepy. Dalawa lang naman yung items na binili natin. Just t-shirt for Poppy from Calvin Klein. And actually, sa Calvin Klein lang ako namili. At saka, another t-shirt for Mother. So, ayan lang. Dalawa lang, guys. And yeah. Sobrang tagal natin doon. I think, nauwi tayo ng mga 1 PM na siguro. 1:30 na ba yun? We're so sleepy. Tapos may gala sana tayo today, pero cancel na natin, guys. Kasi mostly sa mga in-invite natin sa ating gala is magna-night shift. So, next time na lang pag may available dates ulit sila. Mag-go boat tayo. Yan yung nabook namin before nung nandito sila ate na hindi namin nagawa. So, since patapos na yung ating contract dito, yan yung gusto namin ma-achieve because I already paid for that. So, sayang naman. So, that's it. Chill muna tayo. Hi guys! Good evening! Cold. We are gonna have some crackers, guys. Hindi ko feel kumain ngayon ng rice. Meron sana tayong afritada. So, we're gonna have the Ritz na crackers and also the pisti. Mga pisti. This is the pistachio na cream. That's what I'm gonna do. I have been loving pistachio like ice cream or gelato. Tapos ito, ewan ko ba sa akin. It's really good. I am watching Love is Blind right now, but mag-e-edit tayo.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many, and the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Alam niyo ba, tomorrow I'm gonna do a morning shift and I'm very anxious na hindi ako makakatulog. So, galing tayo ng night shift. Oh my God, nakaloka naman itong problema ko. So, galing kasi tayo ng night shift. Tapos, sleeping day. Tapos, day off. Kahapon. And then, today. Tapos, morning na bukas. So, na-anxious ako na mag-morning na naman ako. Kasi baka mangyari ulit yung nangyari sa akin na hindi ako nakatulog. So, papagurin ko yung sarili ko, guys. So, yan yung gagawin natin. I'm gonna do some mopping. Magmamop tayo sa floor ngayon. Alam nyo, mga alas 10 na ng gabi. So, papagurin ko yung sarili ko muna bago ako maligo. Ay, dami na itong basura. Dami na itong basura.
Taking a ride to Jonathan 눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah, 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah, 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah, 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥 주전부리 여유 있으면 더 충분히 행복해 미소가 지어져 오늘은 한편의 동화를 썼음해 동서를 타고 난 날아올라
Guys, time to tidy up our bushes. Charis. Yung ano ko, kilay ko. Feeling ko napansin nyo na yan na sobra talagang bushy ng aking kilay. So, we are gonna shave it. Shave it a little bit. Ito, nabili ko to siya sa Vietnam. From Miniso. Ayan. Ang problema ko lang guys, wala talaga akong cutter. Ang haba-haba ng aking kilay. Hindi natin siya makat ngayon. So, yung ano na lang. Tidy up na lang muna natin yung mga excess na mga hair. Diba? Wala na. Hirap ha? Yan na yung kilay natin guys. And it's time to take a shower. French Earl Grey or Moroccan mint tea? Yes. Good morning guys, another day. Time check, it's 6:38. Mandali tayo. Dapat 6:45 wala na tayo dito sa accommodation. I'm so sleepy. Alam niyo ba, sa sala ako natulog today? Nag-watch ako ng mga documentaries para makatulog ako. At least, nakatulog tayo, Diyos. Hindi mahaba. That's okay, kasi babawi tayo later. Hi guys! Another time! Gisong mo gagatik ka. Guys, we are gonna go today sa Enlighten dito sa Canberra.
Enlightenment.
Enlightenment? Enlighten? Pag-sure, oy. Okay, chika ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung tama later. Just gonna grab my bag. Ipipick up kami ngayon ng aming... Ha?
Rude to you, wasn't I? Si Tony yapay ko ano.
Lagi buutan lagi kay si Tony. Sila compatible anong morena. Ayan. This is our outfit for today, guys. It's 20 degrees pero medyo windy sa aking paningin. So, nag-ano na lang tayo, blazer.
I know, because if she met someone that she's happy with, she would be like this. Or keep, letting her down. I'm happy not to talk.
Our sundo is 4 minutes away. Closer to the city ba to, Day? Di namin alam, actually. Kikisakay lang kami. Mademoiselle! Si Mademoiselle! Ikaw li, tapa, Day!
아침에 눈을 뜨자마자 느낀 설레임 Blossoming 향기로운 달콤한 햇볕에 노인거리는 꽃 같아 다 보고 싶지 않는데 말하고 싶지 않아
Yung
negative 196 degrees has nothing on my file. You know
Not
what's
that
more
it
impressive? Literally water. Because liquid nitrogen, right, it's already boiling. That stuff boils at negative 196 degrees. And it is so much warmer than that out here because it's not taking any heat away. And you know what that means? It means I win. Can I hear a big round of applause for fire, everyone?
No more. Balik mo yung bata session.
Sabay pa mga bata?
Maybe just the...
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something.
Do you think time would pass me by? See you
Put the hands on me, pushing everything. Your body inclined on top of me. Hey, hey, stick it to you, let me so slowly. Better mess up your mind, 'cause tonight you're gone. She's singing whenever, wherever we're meant to be together. I'll be there, you'll be here. That's the deal, my dear. Something for me. Something for baby. Sing it. Hey, hey, hey. Party on. As soon as you do. Party on. Listen to party on. Never was it called again. Yeah, yeah. Take it.
the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Very nice.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when its confines. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fun 24/7. I love the people. This is city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. He drove us down to Ice Place while we roll up a blunt. And me and Jack will get stoned, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay that all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city on a small part of this.
Wala, people di check-check,
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at.
Guys, we are home. My God, that was so fun. Maganda talaga yung Enlighten, guys. Today, weekday kasi ngayon, hindi masyadong busy talaga. Pero, kahit na hindi busy, alam nyo naman yung mga tita nyo, gusto niya hindi masyadong maraming tao. So, nag-enjoy pa rin kami. But, on Monday, mas, ano kasi siya, it's gonna be the last day. Kasi Feb 28 yung nag-start eh. Feb 28 to March 10. Tapos sa March 10, mas marami silang mga pakulo. And, of course, mas maraming tao because it's holiday. So, pupunta ulit tayo, guys, kasi day off tayo. And alam nyo ba, kaming lahat day off kami. Si Sir kasi, duty siya ngayon. So, Monday it is. Babalik tayo doon. And yeah, nag-enjoy talaga kami. Tawa lang talaga kami ng tawa. It was so fun. Ayun.